Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this get it together, sister. Today I'm going to be doing a look of take 1000 action. Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look I have on right now. It's very natural, very simple, minimal products, just like glowy, bronzy, everyday, but still something put together. So it's good if you're going to like a daytime event or a lunch. Kind of like my go-to little bit more natural look, so I hope you guys do enjoy. So for the perimeter of my face, I'm going to use the Mecca Max Luminising Primer just to get a really nice glow going on, and it's just like an absolutely amazing primer in general. And it's a lip balm. I don't know if you guys can see, but like look at that. Yes, honey. And then for the center of my face, I like to go with a pore primer. So this is the Innoxa Pore Refining Primer. I haven't actually used this one before, but I thought it would be a good opportunity to try out a new one. It's a little bit runny. Don't know how this is going to go. Feels a bit greasy. So just kind of pop that in my little porous zones. Definitely does smooth your pores out though. Like, it's quite nice once it's on, but it has a lot of oil in it. I've been getting a lot of like little situations and pores and just junk. I don't know what's going on, like all up through here. I don't know if that's like a hormonal area or what. Because you know how different breakout zones mean different things. I don't know what that area means. And I've got this stupid rash underneath my nose. My skin is absolutely explosive at the moment. I know it is stress, like I know that for a fact, but oh, so annoying. Before I go with my foundation, I'm going to pop on some of the Bourjois Scult Light Strobing Highlighter. I've never used this before. Usually I like to go for more of a golden highlight, but I thought I would just take this opportunity to try a few more products. So I'm just going to pump a little bit out on my hand. Oh yeah. Just going to use my damp beauty blender. And, oh, okay, there's way too much. Is that doing anything? Did that do anything at all? I don't feel like it did. Never mind. Scratch that. Okay, so this is the Australis Liquid Strobe Drops. This is in gold, so this is a little bit more what I wanted. I'm just going to dump it straight onto... no, I'll go on my hand first. I'll be a good girl. And popping it on my cheekbones. It's a little bit better. It's a bit dark for my skin tone right now, but I do go over the top with a darker foundation, so hopefully it just peeps through a little bit. That's what I'm hoping for. It's very pretty, look at that. Oh, oh, oh yeah, daddy. For the actual foundation, I'm going to take the Stila Aqua Glow Foundation. This is my kind of everyday go-to when I want something extra glowy, extra summery. It's just really, really pretty. It's very light, so you can't really feel it on the skin. So I'm just going to drop a bit of that bad boy on there. Caught it on my hand, thank God. It almost went on my new shirt. Right, we're going to apply that a little bit differently today, so we're going to use the palm of our hand. So as you can see, that's like a lot darker than my face, but it matches up to my tan quite well. So pretty. This colour is quite dark on me, so I have to have like a very fresh tan to match it, which I do have on right now, so hopefully it's okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry if I seem a little bit flat in this video, I'm like super exhausted at the moment. How pretty is that? Oh. Having a Red Bull to try and get myself going, even though I'll probably crash later, it's fine. Is there something in my teeth? God damn it. Why did no one tell me? Didn't even eat anything yet. God, it's probably part of like a cockroach or a spider that crawled into my mouth in my sleep. Yeah. It's so lightweight, and look at that glow. Wow, my under eye circles are next level. The only thing with this foundation I do find you have to spend a little bit of time just making sure it is even, because it can look patchy very easily. Oh my God, it's is almost finished. I need to do my forehead. If you're like me, make sure that you do blend it quite far into your hairline, because my natural skin colour peeps through and it is white, and this is like a lot darker, so it's like really obvious. Especially if you wear your hair up, then it's just like, she faking her skin colour? Absolutely stunning. I think I might add more of that liquid highlight to my cheekbone, just because the foundation's covered it a little bit. So I'm just going to dab that. Oh yeah, that is stunning. That looks extra good on top of this foundation. Wow, this lighting is like really catching my under eye bags today. Look at that. Okay, that's just how it's going to be today, is it? Foundation hasn't perfectly covered my blemishes at all, but I prefer that. I prefer it to look like skin rather than like caked up, crusty pimples. I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline underneath my eyes because I desperately need it today. Desperately. This concealer's an absolute lifesaver. I'm just going to blend it in with my sponge. I'm just going to do a sneaky and just add a little bit more of that. And add a little bit more of that directly on top of the discoloration. Because, yeah. I can still see it. I wasn't going to use my banana powder to set my under eyes today, but I feel like I need it just for that colour corrective. So I'm just going to very lightly apply some. I was just going to use a translucent, but I mean, I really need extra help today. Whenever I film these style of videos, I'm always like vibing my inner Chloe Morello, because she's the queen, the absolute queen of like natural, glowy, like gorgeous makeup. So like I learned off her how to kind of like tone it down a notch and be like, you know what, I don't need to look 100% all the time. I don't need to have a perfectly flawless face all the time, and I actually prefer that look now because it just looks better. I don't know, I'm like just digging it so much more. I'm going to take the Clinique Chubby stick. I've only ever used this once and I don't remember if I liked it. But I'm just feeling the creams. I just feel like creams always look a lot more natural, so I bought this because of Sammy Robinson. She wears it and she's also another girl who I vibe when I'm trying to look more natural, because she is just like, she's too much. I can't even look at her. She's just a walking supermodel. See if I can get some nose contour going on. Kind of like to draw a penis on my nose. Like literally. Look. Just draw a penis. That's how I do it for my nose anyway, because I really like to concentrate on slimming the tip of it. So I like to draw a penis on my nose to get that shape. Blending out the contour with my sponge. Why do I keep saying that with an accent, like honestly? Oh no, I do like that. That's awesome. Yeah. I don't use creams enough. Like I used to be so scared of creams because I'm an oilier person, but I'm just really feeling them lately. Like they look so natural. It makes such a difference. This is great. I'm just going to add a little bit more of a contour. Even though I might go in with the powder anyway. I'm really feeling that contour. That shade is perfection. I am going to set my face using some powder. Then you want to try the new L'Oreal True Match Minerals powder. I don't know how this will go as a setting powder, but oh, it has like a little sponge in there so it doesn't go everywhere. That's a good idea. Hopefully this is a good match for me. I'm just going to press it into my skin in my oily zones. Oh, that's nice. I kind of wanted to go mineral because I find that they always have a little bit more of a natural luminous finish for a powder. I wish I could be one of those people who doesn't need to set their face. Like, it's just, like, this would absolutely slide off in about 10 minutes if I didn't. So there's a little bit of a glow, but because I am naturally oily, I will have probably a lot of glow in about 10 minutes, so it comes very naturally to me. Just going to quickly apply it. Oh, I need to sneeze. I have the most aggressive sneezes. I was going to apply some of the Models Preferred Jumbo Bronzer on a large stippling brush just around my face. I'm just going to more directly apply that to my cheeks as a bit of a cheek colour. I've totally gone off using blush altogether and all I use is bronzer. Makes such a difference. Gonna pop on some of the Benefit Highbrow Glow. I haven't used this before. It's just like an under eyebrow highlight stick. For the eyebrows, I would prefer to use like a micro pencil for this sort of look, something a bit more like wispy and natural. But I've run out of both of my favourites, so we're going to have to go for the Pomade, which is a little bit more dramatic. Usually I use either the NYX micro pencil or the Benefit one, which I absolutely love, but I do fly through them a lot faster, so I'm going to use my Anastacia pomade. It's a little bit crusty at the moment, so I'm going to pop in some Duraline. Where is it? Where is it? Where? Oh, literally just sitting right there. So I'm going to pop in some of the Inglot Duraline just to moisten up the product a little bit. Is that a word? Moisten? Moisten? Moisten. I don't think that's a word. I'm really sad because my Benefit eyebrow brush broke. The little spoolie broke off the other end. So I'm just going to mix in that Duraline and get some product going and then just fill in my brows. I'm going to try to do it a little bit more natural, but probably won't because I don't know the definition of natural. I don't know if you can go natural with a pomade, like they're just very dramatic. That is not natural at all. Alright, that was a fail. Oh well, we're going to have dramatic eyebrows today. Going to take some of my Brow Artist Plumper by Loreal. Love this bad boy. Just setting them in place, and it adds little fibres as well. It's like just amazing. Amazing. Just going to add a little bit of a contour using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. Just a little bit underneath the cheekbone. Just to have a little bit of definition there. I like to go in with my banana powder as well and just clean up underneath that line just to make it a little bit more crisp. Then a little bit down my nose contour. For highlight, I think I'm just going to stick with my favourite, which is the L'Oreal Gilded Honey. Amazing. Amazing. Best highlight I've ever used. Stunning. It's just like next level. It's like highlight on steroids. Like, look at that. It just gives you that like kind of sweat look, which I know doesn't sound that appealing, but it just looks more natural. But I really like that kind of glistening wet look on the face, so wow. 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 I like to add that to my Cupid's bow. A little bit on the tip of my penis shaped nose. Down the bridge. For a little bit of colour on the eyes, I don't like to on the daily wear eyeshadow, so I just literally take that bronzer and sweep that through the crease a little bit and a little bit over the lid. Like just really gentle. Just a little bit of bronze, that's all it is. And it's so quick and easy. done. Just apply a little bit to the lower lash line to tie that in. Just going to quickly pop on some lashes because I am not someone who has long natural lashes, otherwise I would literally just skip this step, pop mascara on and be ready to go. But I'm just going to pop on some little Red Cherry 43s. I actually find fake eyelashes faster to apply than mascara and easier to remove, so I just prefer them in general. Literally all it takes. I'm going to apply a little bit of brown eyeliner. This one is by Nude by Nature. A little bit of mascara. This is the Rimmel Volume Colourist. I actually like it because it's very natural. It's not intense. It doesn't do too much, but over time it tints your lashes. Australis came out with these like Demi matte lip glosses called GirlBoss, and they look really intriguing. Like the packaging is really pretty, so I might try out one of these, but I'm not too sure what sort of a colour it's going to suit. I feel like that's too nude. Too nude. That's better. I like to have a little bit of colour in my nude lipsticks. Some people like them to be like literally nude, but I don't think I can get away with it. Oh my god, these smell like Zappos. Yum. Doesn't taste like Zappos though. So this is the completed look. They're like, oh yeah, it's on our teeth. Dewy, bronzy, not too much going on, but still something put together and semi-decent. This is just a layer, by the way. I did not cut my hair off completely before people freak out, because I did mention I wanted to cut my hair off and a lot of people were like, no, don't do it. And I was like, too late. I did cut it, but it's still like very long. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a little bit more of a chill video. But yeah, I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye! Oh, that was weird. What am I doing? Hope everyone had a great Australia Day, and I'll hopefully see you all in my next video. Bye!